Wanna know how to enable speed limit alerts in Waze app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Waze app and make sure you are logged in as well. If you haven't, we have created a video on it, so make sure to watch it. Now once it's there on the top left, you can see this hamburger icon. Just simply select it, and once it's done that, simply hit towards settings right here. That should be right below inbox. Now once you're under settings, just simply hit towards driving preferences. Then right here you can see speedometer. Just simply select speedometer and now check alert when speeding. Just simply enable it, and once that is on, there you have it. If you are going above the speedometer and speeding too much, it will alert you. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.